Okay, hey people, I wanted to fit a passenger captain seat in the T5, take out the double, but everybody wants £800 for a passenger seat, and I just didn't want to pay that sort of money. I managed to get a driver's one in the material I wanted in the Tassimo for £395 with a base as well, which are 80 quid, so £320, so it's a far cheaper way of doing it, but obviously you just got to move the seat belt. This one, I'll show you what I've done. It is very easy. There's the original bolt where it goes in there. Yeah, you can't move that to the other side. You couldn't buy one the other side because you got the height adjuster. You can see I've bolted it on, done. There's a clip. I've shortened the actual belt clip, but there's a little staggered piece of metal there, so I've cut that off so the belt clip's flat. Drilled a 10mm bolt hole through the metal here. You can see you can get to the other side, put a bolt through, some Loctite so the nut doesn't come off, and just bolted it on there, and that's on solid as anything. Because of the height of everything else, you just leave where it is. It doesn't matter. It would go here, so this would be in the way. If you get one without a height adjuster, I'd imagine you can buy that part from Volkswagen and you could mount it the other side, but why go to the expense when you can just do a simple thing like that. The first thing that you have to do when you do this job is to take off the panel at the back. Now these are just on little clips, just pull, that's all you've got to do, just pull. You take that one off, and then the ones on the front, you've got two little clips there that just come out, and then these are just on pull clips, the same there. And then at the back, these ones here are mounted with the back panel, so they sort of hold that in there. Same with the one the other side, that just comes off with a height adjuster. Where that is, you've got to get it, the two little clips out, these little bits here, and then they're just on Torx. That just comes out. And then for the reclining bit, that's this one. Again, it's just on clips, just a bit of prizing, comes off. And the other one, just for the lumbar, same with that. And then all these will just go back on as a wear. You're not going to move those or anything. And then where this panel goes on, this side here, just got to trim out just a little bit there, just so it goes around that clip, so I can put that back on. It's not going to be difficult. There's not a lot of it that's got to come out, and that's it. Job done. Absolute piece of cake. But I was struggling to find info regarding that forum. I hope that helps a few people, because I couldn't find any videos or anything anywhere for it, and limited information on the forums and stuff. So yeah, it's easy. Okay.